Hey guys, this is just going to be a super quick video on how to link up your domain with your Etsy shop. So one of the questions I've gotten asked on TikTok is how to get yourself known, right? You've started this brand, you've created designs, and nobody knows you're selling anything. You're having a hard time. And so I want to recommend that when you're first getting started, that you do use a platform like Etsy or Redbubble or Teespring or whatever, because it does simplify the process. And especially with Etsy, they do a lot of marketing and draw in a lot of people. So if you have good SEO, which I have videos on that as well, but if you have good SEO, then you're going to get found in there. But how do you get people to know your brand and your name? So this is the solution I have. And I use Namecheap for my domain names because they are the least expensive. There is a link in the comments where you can click on. I do get a few pennies for that. So I appreciate if you use the link if you decide to transfer your domains over. I love them because it's like $5 to $8 a year for your domain. And that's it. It includes the SSL certificate, all those things. You're not going to get this crazy renewal for $300 like I used to get from GoDaddy. It's what it is. It's $5 to $8 a piece. So I love it. I own several domains through Namecheap. And so this is what the back office looks like. And this is my wendyjodavis.com website that I own. And so what you're going to do to create that more professional feel, and so people start knowing what your domain is, so that when you eventually separate out from Etsy or Redbubble or whatever, people are like, oh, it's wendyjodavis.com. They know, right? So how you're going to connect your Etsy shop is once you've purchased your domain, you're going to come down here under manage. So you'll have, it'll say Wendy Jo Davis, and off to the right, it'll say manage. You're going to click that manage button, and then you're going to go down here to the redirect domain. This is so easy. So you're going to add a redirect. Now, I already have a redirect on here. I don't send mine to my Etsy shop. I send mine just to another form of my website name, because a lot of times those security blockers will pop up because it's, HTTP instead of HTTPS. So that's just a simple workaround I did. But this line here is what you want to look at. So whatever domain you purchase is what you're going to put here. And then what you're going to do over here is you're going to type in HTTPS : www.etsy.com/shop/ whatever your shop name is on Etsy. You can just go right click on your shop and paste it in here as well. So however you want to do that, right? So once you click that green button, that is going to solidify this. So now when you post everything in Etsy, when you post on TikTok, when you post on whatever social media, you're going to put check out, my item, my shirt, my mugs, my pictures, whatever, at wendyjodavis.com, obviously your domain, but they're going to go to that and it's going to redirect them to your Etsy shop. So you're programming people to go to this domain to reach your products. When you get big, when you become popular, when you're ready to launch out on your own, then you can simply get rid of this redirect and redirect to wherever you decide to sell, whether it's WooCommerce or Shopify or whatever. You can redirect your domain there. It's that simple. And I did the same thing with my Google site. So my wendyjodavis.com goes to my free site that I built on Google. And I actually do go in on that tutorial on how to set up shopping carts inside of Google. Even though it's not something that actually comes with it, there is always a workaround. So you can check out that video as well. And I hope this helps. Don't forget the links are in the comments, and hope this helped you guys. Talk to you soon.